What's up everyone? Today I'm going to be saying about some strange creatures that you might even think, do they even exist? So, wanna get amazed? Keep watching. Welcome to Snap Fingers, just snap it. Pangolins. Pangolins are truly bizarre creatures which may look like armored anteaters. In fact, they are even called as scaly anteaters. Despite of their strange look, I think they are cute with their beady eyes and big feet. And of course, when they curl themselves up into a ball when they are threatened by predators. Good places to find these pangolins are sub-Saharan Africa. You can find even more species of these pangolins on this sub-Saharan Africa. Sadly, many species of these pangolins have been critically endangered due to intensive illegal hunting and poaching for their meat and scale. Aye. Madagascar has been home for many incredible, rare species of animals, some of which cannot be seen any places of this earth. One of the great examples of the animals found on Madagascar is Aye. With its bulging eyes, ever-growing teeth and long fingers, it can look very creepy, especially when we come face to face with it at forest and at night. Aye are a type of lemur and can be found exclusively on the Madagascar forest. We can see it on the night when it forages. Capybaras. Capybaras are the largest living rodents which can be found on the Latin America. They tend to live on the bodies of water and they live in group. They can reach up to 100 individuals when it comes to dry season. We have spotted seeing these capybaras acting as a perch for various birds. This is another unusual appearance of these capybaras. Another interesting fact about this capybara is they are incredibly fast and they are even capable of running as quickly as a horse if they want to. They can even live underwater for 5 minutes. They have been seen using this trick for getting away from the predators. Armadillo-girdled lizard. Endemic to the north and western Cape provinces of South Africa, this lizard reminds us of nothing more than tiny dragon. This expression is more suitable when they curl themselves in to protect themselves from the predators. This behavior has earned its name to this list. Another interesting or strange fact about this lizard is, from the whole species of lizard, this is one of the few species that can give birth to young ones, and there are evidences that the female lizards have been feeding their young, which is even more uncommon. Magnificent frigate bird. These incredibly beautiful birds have been endemic to the Galapagos Islands. These have their 2.5 meter long boast wingspan and they have been spotted flying up to 2,500 meters above sea level. They are also called as man-o-war birds because they like to attack other birds while they are flying and they even steal other foods on occasion. What makes these birds strange or beautiful is because they have a red sac attached to their chest for the males and they balloon it up to attract their mate. So this is some of the strange creatures that you might want to know. So if you want to know about more of these strange creatures, please comment down below, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it to your family, friends, and please make sure you hit the subscribe button too. Peace out.